Tonight, the Centers for Disease Control recommending that the first available doses of coronavirus vaccines be given to frontline healthcare workers and residents of long-term care facilities. News Channel 3's Jake Gracia live tonight at a nursing home in Rancho Mirage with a look at what that will mean for the vulnerable population there. Jake.
John, good evening. And tonight, the owner of this dementia care facility says that although it's been a while since there was an outbreak here, the patients and staff remain some of the most susceptible. He says that this vaccine is giving them hope.
It's comforting to know that there is a prevention on the horizon.
Floyd Rhodes owns Vista Cove at Rancho Mirage, a long-term memory care facility for the elderly. He says it's a relief to hear his patients and healthcare workers could be some of the first to receive a coronavirus vaccine.
There's kind of a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's no longer a train coming at you, right? So I would say they're excited, very pleased.
Vista Cove back in May was the site of an outbreak in which 17 caregivers and 28 residents tested positive.
Nobody went to the hospital and nobody passed away, but that particular demographic is at high risk, of course.
Nationally, nursing homes have been disproportionately affected. Care facilities account for 8% of coronavirus cases, but more than 40% of deaths.
Intimate environment, people are close together. We've kept social distancing as much as possible, but it's very difficult to do.
Rhodes says the vaccine won't come without concerns, though.
I'm more concerned about the people who are not going to be willing to take it than the side effects.
He says employees against taking it could be putting their jobs in jeopardy.
They have the right not to take it, and we have to decide whether it's safe for them to work in the facility if they are not willing to take the vaccines.
And while it's providing a glimmer of hope, Rhodes says he knows the vaccine isn't a cure-all, at least not right away.
You're going to have to wait and see what the reactions are to the vaccine, how effective it really is when it's administered to thousands of people.
Vulnerable populations just weeks away from the greatest defense yet against coronavirus. And the care facility here has been coordinating with county officials on how that vaccine will be administered. There's now a partnership with CVS and Walgreens pharmacies who will come here on site and vaccinate people right here at the facility. It's just a matter of waiting for that FDA emergency approval, and the rest will fall into place. We're live tonight in Rancho Mirage. Jake Gracia, News Channel 3.
All right, Jake, thank you.